Alrighty, so this video is going to be on the high-risk traffic stop, the felony stop, whatever. And the first thing, well, that's not on the video that I'm going to go through with you, is all the stuff before you actually stop the vehicle. The first thing you need to do is you need to notify dispatch that of your location and what direction you're traveling, the vehicle description, like the make, model, the color, the license plate, if there's any distinct blemishes on the vehicle, such as dents, rusting, so on and so forth. Yep, the tag number, and then the suspected crimes and weapons of the person. And that's what you need to do, and then you need to make the stop, and here it is. Alrighty now, so what's next in the video is Chandler, my backup officer. He's gonna handcuff her, do a pat down search just for any weapons. And he's gonna bring her back on my patrol vehicle, which is my Jeep. And then we're gonna ask him some questions if he's got any weapons on him, gather information. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and then after we get him secured, blah, 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 if there are any other people in the vehicle, then we would call them out also as well, one by one. And that's it. Oops. Oh, and another thing I missed is that when you do think you have all the people out of the vehicle, then what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to do the bluff call and call out anyone who's left in the vehicle to come out with their hands up. That's it.